So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I am going to type here 1F986. So I type like this, 1F986. After that I am going to press this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the duck symbol we have created in our computer. So for creating a duck symbol using keyboard shortcut, remember you must press these two keys after typing 1F986. So you must first type 1F986 after opening Microsoft Word, and after that you must press this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the duck symbol we have created. Or if you want to change the color also, you must select this, go to the home, and from there you can adjust the color that you want for the duck of the serial. See, for more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineering Online. Thank you.